Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to build your website on Squarespace in just 3 minutes. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open any browser you're using to follow this tutorial steps. From here you would like to go and create a new tab, then go to squarespace.com, which is this, then hit the enter button. Of course, after opening the website, all you need to do, just go and create your account. As you can see here, I actually already have an account, and if I go to my dashboard, I will have here some websites. But let me just go back. So if it's your first time using this Squarespace website, all you need to do, as I said, create your account. Then you would like to go to templates here or get started here. Choose whatever you want. So after clicking and get started, it will actually takes you into something here to choose your templates from. So as you can see here, make any templates yours with a. So here you would like to choose a type of the template or the topic of the template to choose whatever you want exactly. So of course you can like filter, as you can see here, to hide the things that you don't want to see actually, and choose just the things that you would like to choose templates from. So from here, let's say as an example, I would like to choose this. So as you can see here, they will show you actually the templates. Of course, you can start using or you can view the demo site. So I'm gonna just click at start with this. So here, let's just wait the settings things up. Let's just wait it. It'll just keep waiting. Wait until it's setting up. So here is it. So here you would like to go and start selling on Squarespace. So this template was actually selling products stuff, so that's why they are telling you to start selling on Squarespace. Of course, that is not necessary. So here you would like just to set a title. For me, I'll write test again, and here you can sell anything. Of course, 70 of businesses make a sale within 30 days of setting up their store, their online store. Of course, you have products and service, bookable points modes for clients, and or access to contents, courses, and more. So here you just click at next, and here you'll have a drive traffic. So sellers see almost 2.5 better conversion on traffic driven through Squarespace marketing products. So we have here beautiful email campaigns, integrated social tools, and advanced SEO tools. You'll just hit the next, and here we have power your online store. We have advanced insights and analytics, flexible fulfillment options, and products reviews for customers. So of course, everything you need to manage orders, attract new customers, and measure progress. So all you need to do, get started, and here you can start editing your website by clicking at this and edit whatever you want. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.